I have an idea for you. How can someone transform their next vacation into business travel?
That's a great question. It's actually one I get a lot from clients is I hear that you can take a vacation and write it off. How do I do it? Well, there's a couple of different ways that you can do it. And it really depends on what type of trip you're taking and how long it is, that type of thing. So how do you do it? First of all, the primary purpose of that vacation has to be for business.
Has to be.
Has to be, right? It can't be my Disney vacation and I go see one client.
Yeah.
That doesn't become a business trip.
Nope.
So there's rules around how many days of the trip it is and how many of those have to be business, how many of those to be personal days, what you can write off, how you document it, because again, it's about documentation. But if you are able to qualify it as a business trip, you can write off things like travel, the airplane tickets if you're driving, or if you have to rent a car or something like that, the hotel. Some of the hotel can be written off. Some of your actual food costs can be written off. Anything that would be essential for if the entire trip was a business trip, that you would normally take it off. Some of that can actually be done. Now, what do you have to do? One, you have to show that there was a business purpose for it, right? So you go visit a client or a business partner, or maybe you're doing a seminar there, right? And then I think one of the key things right now is cruises, right? I can take a cruise and take some CPE on my cruise and turn it into a business trip, right? And so the value of that cruise then becomes a business deduction. This does not count though if it's not an overnight stay. Right. So it can't be, I'm driving from Houston to Austin and I'm going to spend just part of my day there, enjoying the sights, and maybe I meet with one person while I'm there. That's not a business trip. And then it has to you basically have to justify that. Would you have done this trip if there wasn't a personal piece to it? Right. So